Si Stacy nag-microwave ng cheese. Nilagyan niya ng foil. Umusok. Nagkaapoy yung microwave. Hindi naman. As in, nagkaapoy. Gulat na gulat kami lahat.
She's the princess talaga.
Yep.
Destroyer.
Flashback.
Uy! Shucks! Patayin mo! Ilabas mo! Oh my God!
Do not microwave the paper.
Oh my God, Miss Jules. Wait.
Umapoy yung foil na papel. Ay, siya.
It's not microwavable.
The foil. Yan! Uy, umamoy talaga yan. It's foil wala. Ang baho!
Hindi ko napansin.
Amoy sunog!
Tunawin mo? Nag-iisi na naman ako dito sa ito.
Hala, nakalive pala si Ate Connie.
Okay lang, hindi nakita yung gulong.
Oh my God.
Nagugugit na. Parang walang gustong kumuha nung
Ano ba need? Ano po? I was just gonna...
Melt.
What?
Nilagay mo sa
Pan na lang. Sa pan na lang. Ito, it's like, baka din po hindi siya for...
Nagkagulo lahat.
Hindi ko na, pero ang layo niya. Ano, paano ahapon? Paano ako yung hindi talaga pwede mag-isa, guys.
Buti alam mo, Ben.
Staka. Ano ko, princess?
Yung princess namin, kailangan ng prince.
Diary of a Princess.
No, I have to get the ano. Wait.
Because I wanna be a cat, you can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar. Roar? Yeah, meow but bigger.
Why do you... Bakit gusto mo mag-meow?
I wanna meow so that I can contribute to the world. When you meow kasi, it means yung predicate, it can go into pandiwa. Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
And the
Gusto mo yung
subject
i-round off sa
will
numerator.
sobrang laking tulong if you can meow. Like, even Ate Janice, she can smile if I can meow. Like, the worms here in our house, the ipis, they can substitute. They can melt into a mountain. And the gas, solid and medium.
Is equals to y-axis.
Oh, this is a bus. So when you meow, you can. And then when you twist it,
And then you transpose it, right?
yung tiger kasi na-transpose siya into one.
Tsaka na ano, sa in the middle,
then
in the
divide
power
it
of
into-
8, di ba?
Sabi
Yeah,
na
very
eh.
good.
In the power of it, you can round
But
that
what is the final answer?
meow.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
If she wants to be a cat, I want to be a dog because I want to...
8. This is my question for you for tonight. Kung magiging animal ka.
Animal.
Okay. What animal would you be and why? Sorry, management.
Maliban sa cat.
Oh.
Maliban sa cat and dog.
Kasi parang yun na yung...
No!
Leopard.
Feeling ko, magiging lion. Because, Savanya, sabari, sababa. I really love that movie.
Lion and
you know
Tiger.
that movie? The Lion King. Wait, get other mic.
Dapat bird ka
Let's
kasi
talk
pilot
ano.
nga, dream
You
mo,
know the
diba?
movie Lion King?
Yeah,
I really like the Lion King movie.
Wait. Ano
Yeah.
kasi? Ano ba? We go tambay kasi sa mall with my friends kasi before when I'm at the
What,
university.
have you watched the Lion King 3D
yeah.
version?
I haven't.
I watched that in the cinema.
Yeah.
I forgot the mall.
Hi? Tapos ano? Magiging friends tayo. Lagi tayong mag-uusap mula umaga hanggang madaling araw. Tapos magiging close tayo. Sa sobrang close natin, mahuhulog na tayo sa isa't isa. Tapos liligawan mo ako. Tapos sasagutin naman kita. Tapos papanuhin natin yung mga pangarap natin sa isa't isa. Tapos may kita ang iba. Iiwanan mo na ako. Tapos maghahabol ako sa'yo kasi mahal kita. Pero wala kang gagawin. Hahayaan mo lang akong umiiyak while begging you to stay. Kaya wag na. Thanks na lang sa hi mo. By the way, hello.
let's do this. Magandang laban to. Aloy,
Mickey, handa-handa ka ng matalo.
magandang laban. Kung dahilan ng pagtirik ng sasakyan sa daan.
Baha.
Baha! Boys, tingin nyo, baha.
Ba't ka dadaan doon eh? Baka nga, di ba?
Tama naman. Eh, paano kung ano? Paano kung na-fake news? Akala,
Animals to end. I want to talk to you.
Okay, Sheena, explain your answer. Why? Why eat a beetle? I can eat it if it's dead. If it's dead or alive, so I'd rather eat a beetle. Okay, later ha. We prepared something for you.
Bakit hat ka ba?
Bakit?
Bakit hindi?
Kuya Aki, bakit ka ba? Bakit hat ka ba?
Bakit?
Bakit hindi din?
May knock-knock ako. Knock-knock. Who's there? Tumblr!
Tumblr, who?
It's going down. I'm yelling Tumblr! Pinagkakala ko yung 1 year.
Pasensya niyo na po.
1 year po. May knock-knock. Wait. Ano knock-knock?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Tumblr. Tumblr who? Tumblr.
Nato 100K!
Mag-split kami ni Joanna.
Oh, yan! Ito siya. Oh my God!
Gotta take a minute, gotta catch my breath. I don't care about this. I got no time for nothing else. I got bitch, got strength. I'm the beast of my belt.
Now it's time to Crystal with
Wish. Una muna kay Bebe. Balik mo naman.
Okay. Dear Benny, I just want to say
8 wishes pala daw. Ano yung bangs mo?
42. I just want to say
Lagyan mo accent.
I love you all so much. I wouldn't survive any day without you. I wish lang. I wish if I go sa TikTok. I wish that we will stay stronger and truer to ourselves because I feel like recently we've been parting ways.
Kinabahan yun sila.
I'm just kidding.
Uy, may mga gumagawa kasi sa TikTok yung ano. Pinapatay ito. Uy, kita ko yung may pumapatay sa akin. Kaya nga. Mag-edit din ako. Mas marami akong followers. Mas marami nakakakita nun.
Buhay siya ngayon, guys!
Boy, ako!
Meron din si Maloy. Narisinipis ka, te.
Guys, what would you like to say to people who's killing you?
Oh, no.
Okay, next na.
Wala akong masabi na sabi mo na,
Too stand to speak. Oh, ako naman para sa ating lahat. Oh, I wish... Dalawang mic mo. Oh, my wish for Beanie ay good health, more years to come. More years! 20 years pa, and more blooms, and more projects, more endorsements, more Beanie Day. We love you all. Oh, that's it.
No? Ako, more arid to come.
Woo!
More magsasubscribe sa... more magsubscribe sa aming website para more... Alam niyo po yun? More...
Same. Ako, hopefully, sana makabag tayo mga international awards. Yeah, and then we get to go to more international stages, perform there. Sana makapag-Coachella, para maka-shout kami ng Coachella mag-ingay. Yan.
May sinasabi si Jo. Ang dami mo daw sinasabi.
Ano? Wait lang. Guys, wait na po, nila-rescue namin. Wait, tara.
Overhead hold muna.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, hindi na.
Tumayo na. Tayo. Oh my God, sorry po. Oh my God, wait lang po. May nangyayari po dito aksidente.
Uy, game na talaga. Wag yan! Nakikita yung ano. Tulungan naman natin.
Guys, deserve. Wait lang, ipakita na lang. Ano? Wait lang. Guys, wait na po, nila-rescue namin. Wait, tara.
Gusto po namin paulit-ulit, pero maraming salamat po sa lahat po na nagpunta ngayon. Hindi nyo alam kung gaano nyo po kami napasaya. Itong mga nakaraang araw, hindi siya madali for us kasi medyo, ano ba yun? Hindi madali yung nagiging preparation namin for our concert kasabay ng mga guestings and shows namin. Pero grabe, parang nawala yung pagod namin tonight. Maraming salamat po. Hindi lang namin in-expect na mangyayari to, itong anong meron tayo ngayon sa loob lang ng 3 taon. So, maraming salamat po. Mas naiiyak ako kasi nakikita ko yung mga bosses natin sa araw. Kung alam nyo lang yung pinaglaban nila for us, guys, nung dumaan yung shutdown and pandemic, sino ba naman kami para i-stay ng management, diba? Pero pinili nilang maniwala and magtiwala sa amin. So maraming salamat po. To Ibes, si Ben, maraming salamat po. Sana mas dumami pa tayo. And panatilihin natin tong healthy environment natin, guys. Let's avoid negativity. Let's avoid comparison. Let's keep this empowered world for all.